Hey everyone, this is Swati and you are watching Beauty Things. Today I'm gonna review eyeshadow palette from Giordani range of Oriflame in the shade Divine Brown. And before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, just click on the red subscription button. It means a lot for me. So if you want to see this beautiful eyeshadow palette, keep watching. This palette is available in two more shades, Smoky Grey, Radiant Plum, and I have already reviewed Radiant Plum. If you want to see, I have attached link in the description box. You can go through it. So the first one here is the dark brown shade. It's a matte shade and perfect for creases. So the second shade here is a shimmery caramel shade with a hint of peach, which will give your eyes a dewy finish. Third one is again a shimmery shade of brown with a hint of plum in it. And last but not the least is the lightest shade of the palette, mainly used on the brow bone to highlight your eyes. But if you're doing a cut crease eye look, you can use it on your moving lid as well. And yeah, they are highly pigmented and smooth in texture, so avoid taking a lot of product at a time. Just take a small amount and blend it slowly and gradually. So girls, I have already swatched these shades for you. Here they are in ascending order from dark to light. Let me show you the shades under flashlight. Here I am showing you the intensity of the dark shade in one swipe. So here it is. And yes, if you want to buy these, they are available online as well. We'll be attaching link below. And yes, the price of the eyeshadow palette is 1162, and I have brought this in offer somewhere around 800 rupees. I seriously don't remember that. And that's all from my side today. I hope you enjoyed. If you find it helpful, I will request all of you that please share it with your friends and give it a big thumbs up. See ya.